Hi, this is my correction video for enhancement number 5. As you can see, Andrew helped me put together a function because the one I had was not there. It was on its way, but it was not there. So there's my function. And just to show you that things are working, okay, here's my main Acme page. Here's the one Acme page, and it shows that everything is okay. And here's the second one. I had problems with this one, and I was able to get it down to that. I fixed most of it. I fixed on my own, and then Andrew and I walked through them to make sure that I had done it right. There was one or two things that wasn't quite there, but almost. And then the last part of it where I had left off a quote that just drove me nuts. I hate it when that happens. Here's my main page, so you can see that the navbar's working on all of these. Oh, did I show you this? This is my other one. Okay. All right. And then in my indexes, there's the 3 indexes. And that's what we put in to show. And then we had to, on one of them, we had to do a little bit more on this one. So this one, when we put it in, we also had to make sure that we put in the categories. So I learned a lot this week. It's a hard week. This stuff is really difficult for me. I'm not very good at functions, and they just I was actually shaking by the time I got done with Andrew, because I just they're just such a block for me. But I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep trying. And so here we go. Okay, thanks. Good night.